All right, welcome to the Explainer. If you're looking to start an online business in 2025, you're probably just swimming in options. It can get pretty overwhelming, right? Well, today we're going to cut through all that noise. We're breaking down 3 of the most popular models out there to see which one might actually be the right fit for you. Okay, let's get into it.
So let's just get right to the big question, the whole reason for this explainer. We're putting 3 heavy hitters in the ring: dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and this newer idea called a partner system. We're going to see which one really has the potential to make you the most money, especially if you're just starting out.
First up, we've got a name you've almost definitely heard before: dropshipping. This one is famous for being one of the fastest ways to get an online store off the ground and running.
And the concept? It's actually beautifully simple. You're basically the storefront, the marketer, the front man. You list products, you make the sale, but you never actually touch the product yourself. A supplier somewhere else takes care of the inventory, the packing, the shipping, all of it. So yeah, no boxes piling up in your garage, which is a definite plus.
Okay, but let's talk numbers. The startup cost, $300 to $500, seems pretty reasonable. But that key challenge? Oh, that's a big one. The profit margins are thin. We're talking just 10 to 20%. What that really means is, to hit that $10,000 a month mark, you have to sell a ton of product, and you're fighting a sea of competitors doing the exact same thing. So, according to our source, it's a great way to dip your toes in the water, but maybe not the best for building a serious, long-term, passive income machine.
Now for our second contender, affiliate marketing, which flips the script completely. Instead of creating your own store, you're focusing all your energy on selling someone else's stuff. The whole game here is to become a trusted source. You find products you actually like, you share them using a special, unique link, and whenever someone clicks that link and buys, boom, you get a piece of the pie. It's all about using your content or your influence to be a superpowered salesperson for other companies.
And when you look at this breakdown, the appeal just jumps right off the screen. You can start for literally nothing if you're smart about it, and the income potential is double that of dropshipping. Plus, no customer service calls, no shipping labels, none of those headaches. But, and this is a big but, there's a trade-off. It all, and I mean all, hinges on building an audience that knows, likes, and trusts you. And that, my friends, takes time. It takes real consistency.
Which brings us to our final contender, a model our source is calling the partner system. This one is framed as a much more structured, kinda done-for-you way to get into the commission game.
Okay, so here's the key idea. This model tries to solve the single biggest problem with traditional affiliate marketing, which is all that setup time. Instead of you having to build the website, write the sales copy, create the email follow-ups, the system gives you all of that pre-built and ready to go. Your one and only job becomes mastering a single skill, getting people or traffic to that system. And when we look at these numbers, the income potential just leaps way, way up. That's mainly because these systems are usually built around what they call high-ticket products. Think bigger sales, bigger commissions for you. The huge benefit here is speed. You get to skip months of building and testing. The challenge, though, it's still there. You have to get good at generating traffic. You have to become an expert at getting eyeballs on the offers, whether that's through social media, ads, or something else. Okay, so we've met our 3 contenders. Now it's time for the main event. Let's put them side by side, head to head, and see how they really stack up when you look at the all-important details.
This table really makes it all crystal clear, doesn't it? Over on the left, you've got dropshipping, moderate cost to start, but it's got the lowest income ceiling, and you're always fighting those thin margins. In the middle, affiliate marketing, free to start, which is awesome, but you're playing the long game of building that audience. And then on the right, the partner system. Low startup cost, the highest income potential by far, but your success comes down to one thing: mastering the skill of driving traffic.
So, after laying it all out like this, the source material we're looking at, well, it doesn't pull any punches. It makes a really clear call on which model it thinks is the absolute best bet for a beginner in 2025.
And there you have it, straight from the source. The verdict is in. MPS, or the partner system, is the winner. And the reasons they give are all about 2 words: speed and reliability.
So the why behind that choice really boils down to pure efficiency. Because the system is pre-built, you get to skip all those months of tech headaches and trial and error. You can jump straight to promoting products that pay out big commissions, which just gives you a much faster potential on-ramp to making real income.
So that's the playbook. But this leaves us with one last, really important question to chew on. Is a done-for-you system like this a brilliant shortcut to success, letting you focus on the one skill that actually makes you money? Or is it a substitute for building those foundational skills of creating a real brand and an audience from scratch? That's something you'll have to decide for yourself. Thanks for joining us on The Explainer.